Most people have never walked the Great Sand Dunes, and even fewer know that the ground there can actually sing back at you. Southern Colorado is home to the tallest sand dunes in North America. They look quiet, peaceful, and almost too calm. But when the conditions are just right, these dunes make sound. Deep, low, vibrating sounds that echo across the sand like a distant drum or a hum. Early explorers thought that the noise came from spirits. Native tribes, they believed the sand dunes were alive. Even scientists were confused for years because the sand is not supposed to do that. Here is what is actually happening. When the sand is extremely dry and the grains are perfectly shaped and sized, they slide over each other in sync. That movement creates vibrations. Those vibrations, they travel through the dunes and into the air. And suddenly, the sand starts singing. It does not sound like wind. It does not sound like footsteps. It sounds like the dunes themselves are breathing. Before I explain why this happens in certain places, save this video so you remember this next time someone says Colorado is just mountains. Not all sand can do this. The grains have to be smooth, rounded, and coated in a thin layer of silica. Too much moisture, and the sound disappears. Too little movement, and nothing happens. That is why the Great Sand Dunes are so rare. The valley traps the sand, the mountains block the wind, and everything lines up perfectly. Scientists call it booming sand. Locals call it singing sand. Either way, it is one of the strangest natural sounds you can hear in Colorado. So next time you hike those dunes and you hear a low hum beneath your feet, remember this: it is not your imagination. The ground is actually talking back. From cabins to castles, I'm your local guide to the real Colorado.